This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Hairston. Charming 3-bedroom ranch, centrally located in Virginia Beach. Completely remodeled, almost everything is new: stove, fridge, dishwasher and microwave. Open floor plan with new laminate flooring, fresh paint, new carpet and ceiling fans in bedrooms. 1-car attached garage. Large fenced backyard with patio. Sorry, no smoking inside and no pets, firm. Available now. For more information, review the details below.